Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage the fundraisers notifications on your account on Instagram easy and quickly. So first of all, enter Instagram, then click here on your profile icon, click on these three lines, and then go to the notifications, and here we have the fundraisers. Click on it. So as you see here, we have your fundraisers by others. So as you see, you can turn this offer on, and the same thing here. So that's it. That's how to manage the fundraisers on your account on Instagram easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.